friends, welcome back to our channel romebyiranis. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe for Serradura, that is a Portuguese sawdust pudding. It's possibly the easiest dessert recipe that you've ever come across. It needs only 3 ingredients. Alright, so let's get straight to the video. Guys, this recipe is so simple, I'm not even in the kitchen. You need only 3 ingredients, that is Amul Fresh or any fresh cream, whipping cream, your Nestle Minute Maid condensed, sweetened condensed milk, and your Marie biscuits. In the description box, I will leave the ingredients and the recipes and the exact amounts that is required for this, so go check out the description box for the complete recipe. Okay, as a first step, we take the Marie biscuits and we crush it in a blender. So I'm taking around 15-20 biscuits, Marie biscuits. Just crush it by hand. So this is required to make the base of the dessert as well as the sawdust, right? So as an alternative, you can use a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin and costly crush these biscuits as well, but I prefer doing it this way because that gives you the true sense of the sawdust texture. I'm not suggesting that we've tasted sawdust, but it gives you that fine grainy powder. So just we'll blend this now. So we have our sawdust ready. So you can see this, it's powdered completely. Okay, let's keep that aside. For the next ingredient, the second ingredient is fresh cream. So one pro tip while we whip this fresh cream, I've used this brand from Amul, right? So do not use fresh cream which is at room temperature. It's always advisable to chill your cream while you're whipping, otherwise you will not get the desired soft peaks that which we are looking at while we are whipping, because you could be whipping for hours together and there won't be any peaks formed. So I've taken around 500 ml of fresh cream. This pack is 250 ml, so I've taken a couple of this fresh cream in this and I'm going to beat this with an electric beater. So guys, you want to beat this till it's a soft peak. So I'm going a little bit slow now and then slowly increase the speed. I'm repeating myself again, guys, please use cold cream. Otherwise, if you don't have time to put it in the fridge, put it into an ice bath and actually lower down your temperature to put ice in a bigger bowl and then put this on it like a bain-marie. Okay guys, this is beaten up well. You are looking at consistency, you're not looking at too much stiff peaks, because we have to add the next ingredient to the whipped up cream, that is sweetened condensed milk. So if you've noticed, we've not added any sugar. We are not going to add any sugar to this because this condensed milk is sweetened. So if you're using condensed milk which is not sweetened, then you would want to add icing sugar or powdered sugar to the mix as per your taste. How sweet do you like it? For me, this sweetened condensed milk is sweet enough. And, some people do also put in vanilla essence into this cream mixture. I personally don't like vanilla essence to be added into actually anything unless you're using fresh vanilla bean pods or dried vanilla bean pods into your desserts at least. So I have in 500 ml of freshly whipped cream. I would use around say 7 to 8 tablespoons of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. So I'm just going to pour this in. Okay, that's about it. So guys, cooking is not an exact science, right? So you need to go by your feel, taste, how your ingredients are actually mixing up. You got to go by that. So unless you're baking is possibly an exact science where you need to get exact amounts of ingredients while you're baking. But this is a dessert, and as I mentioned in the start of the video, it's by far the simplest. So after adding condensed milk to the cream, I'm going to whip it up again. So guys, I have nicely whipped it up. If you can notice, there is quite a lot of air bubbles on this. Yes, it's not stiff peaks, and I'm not looking for stiff peaks because when we actually assemble this dessert, you are going to put it into the fridge for maybe an hour or so, or if you put it in the freezer, you can leave it for around half an hour also, and it will be done. So come on, let's assemble the dessert. So you need a glass. Let's take our crushed Marie biscuits and make a base layer down below. Okay, you'd want the base layer to be a little bit thicker. Okay, and now we take our cream. Guys, don't be worried that the cream is a little bit runny. That's okay, because when you actually put it in the fridge or the freezer, it will set and become firm. And you need to keep layering this dessert. Again, the cream. And let's just finally top it up with the crushed biscuits again. Okay guys, the dessert is assembled and we are done. We need to keep this, if you have guests coming over, you want to do this quickly, you can keep it in the freezer for around half an hour and it will be done, or you can keep it in the fridge for a couple of hours and it'll be good to go. All right, so with the magic of editing, I will put this into the fridge and come back to you soon.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for around half an hour, we have our Serradura ready. Our Portuguese sawdust pudding is ready. So let's do a quick taste test. So guys, let's taste this. Let's dive straight to it. It's amazing, guys. I can't even talk because it's that creamy. You really get that, powdered Marie biscuit taste in your mouth with the nice cold cream. It's amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Do give it a shot, this recipe a shot, and comment down below if you've tried the recipe. It's only 3 ingredients, so Marie biscuit, cream, and your condensed milk. That's it, guys. It's that simple. So do try this recipe, and I just want to tell you that if you're new to our channel, please do consider subscribing. Follow us on our Instagram page. Our handle is romebyiranis, and until the next video, take care of yourselves, guys. Ciao.